Finn, seems that Jinga is as good as they say he is. Go! What? Nice tour, Virgo. Yeah, one more time, Pegasus! Check it out! Pegasus' attacks don't bother Virgo in the slightest. In fact, Virgo seems to be spinning even faster. Look, that fantastic big form is like dancing a beautiful ballet. Yes, Virgo is my own prima ballet dancer, just as I too was a dancer once. They called me a genius, noble dancer. Huh? Then why did you become a blader? I guess it was just meant to be, Jinga. Oh yes, on that day.
Moin.
One year ago, there was an accident during a show. His ankle was injured, and the dancer's ankle is everything. Then he suddenly disappeared from the ballet world. Oh.
A dancer who can't dance. It's like a bird that can't fly. My dream had always been to become the best dancer in the world. In the depths of despair, I spent time trying to recover. It was only then that I saw you and Pegasus. Not being able to move, I was stuck in bed for a long time. I had just turned on the TV, and it was you who jumped out of it. Dancing around the stadium, Pegasus was beautiful. And you two were bursting with the spark that I had lost. It was then that I felt like I had seen new hope shine bright. And so my prima ballerina became Earth Virgo. If I'm with Virgo, I can be a star again. In a Bay Stadium, the stage of my new dream.
I see now. That's what you meant by supporter.
In order for us to shine even brighter on this new stage, Jinga, I will defeat you.
So you found a new goal and had the courage to start over again. You must be very determined. Impressive, but I can't lose either. I will never lose again. Never. I will grab the reins and reach my goal no matter what. Go, Pegasus!
Oh, that was solid! Bravo, Master Jinga, but the curtain hasn't closed on this yet. Virgo, Allegro, Ultra Shock! Pegasus' attack can't seem to make contact. Virgo dodges with its nimble footwork. Right now, Virgo, throws Japan! He won't let me win easily.
You got that right. Pegasus!
Virgo! The real show starts now. Virgo, pirouette tour! Virgo's spinning has gotten even faster. What is going on out there? It's fast, way too fast. How was it able to spin like that?
Centrifugal force. Like how a ballerina opens her while spinning to make herself go faster. thing. It's set up so that when the metal balls move toward the outside, it forces the center to spin at a much higher speed.
Be careful here. Attacks from the side won't affect my Virgo. So, Jingo, what'll you do?
That's awesome, Virgo. But if attacking from the side will work, how about from above? Whoa! Ready! Pegasus, Star Blast attack! I was blocked!
Oops, I forgot to tell you. Virgo isn't affected by attacks from above.
And why not? Wait a sec!
The high-speed spinning disrupts the air current and creates a shield of air. There are absolutely no holes in Virgo's defenses.
This was the method that defeated Hikaru's special move. Okay, so if it's a shield of air, then maybe I can create a vacuum. But I can't use that technique in Pegasus Star Blast attack at the same time. If I attack head-on, once the air shield has been broken, Pegasus' attack won't have any effect because of Virgo's spin power. Virgo is a stamina type. If I don't attack, I'll end up losing. I have no idea which way to go.
So what do you think? Virgo, Jingo, you inspired us to find a new way to dance. By defeating you, we can now be bigger stars.
Virgo is a tough thing. Neither attacks from the side nor from above have any effect at all. Well, what about from below? But how? Pegasus can't dive into the stadium.
Well, Virgo, our victory is near. Now let's soar towards our dream.
Soar!
What will now? Looks like you have no options left.
Oh, really?
Huh?
Pegasus is the one with wings. The only team that will win and soar to their dreams is us. Go, Pegasus!
It can't be!
If I can't dive below, then I'll make Virgo float above.
What?
Go now! Mr. Moon! Dawnbringer!
Oh! The best going around the long and howling Jenga!
I created my new special move, Pegasus Stormbringer.
High-speed circling and heat create an updraft that lifts the opponent into the air, and then a vacuum cuts through that air current. Once the opponent has lost his balance, you just deliver one final attack. Amazing! Amazing, Jinga! This special move will work no matter what!
Virgo, it seems that we are not the stars we want to be yet. Congratulations, Jingo. You are the one that shines the brightest after all.
You guys are shining too, you know.
Huh?
In Beyblade, you can't shine by yourself. It's because I had a strong opponent like you that Pegasus and I could shine. Thank you, Teru.
Oh, so then, Jinga, we will become even stronger. Won't you battle both of us again sometime?
Of course. Now our next battle is waiting, Pegasus. We have to keep on winning until we reach Battle Bladers. Then we can defeat Ryuga and put an end to their ambitions.